We will guide you through how to change opacity Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image or Photoshop project you want to edit. Then allow the document, artwork, and layers to appear completely. Go to the Layers panel on the right side of the workspace, or open it from the window menu if it is not currently visible. Find and select the layer whose transparency you want to adjust, checking its thumbnail and name so you do not change the wrong element. Locate the opacity option at the top of the Layers panel, above the list of layers and near the blending mode menu. Click the displayed opacity percentage to activate its control and reveal the slider. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the layer's opacity, allowing more of the layers beneath it to show through. Drag the slider to the right whenever you want to increase the opacity and make the selected layer more solid and visible. If your design requires a precise setting, click inside the percentage field and enter an exact value rather than estimating with the slider. Set the value to 100% when you want full opacity, meaning the layer displays at its complete strength with no transparency caused by this setting. Lower the value to make the layer increasingly transparent, remembering that a very low percentage can make its content difficult to see. Look at the canvas after each change and check how the selected layer blends with the background and surrounding artwork. Continue adjusting the opacity until the balance looks right for your composition, whether you are softening a texture, fading an image, reducing an effect, or blending overlapping elements. Once you are satisfied, save the Photoshop project as a PSD file, so the layer structure and adjustable opacity setting remain available when you reopen the document.